believe it or not, are in the 70s, and we're still dealing with this fog. Northern Jefferson County, portions of Etowah County as well, looking at that fog. That is going to be one of the things we'll see at least for the next hour. But by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, there could be a couple of spotty showers. Right now in the WVTM 13 Live Doppler, we are tracking just a few showers, but really the winds will likely be the weather feature that you're going to notice today that will be the most impactful. So say you do have a New Year's Eve party planned today, you have the tent put up. By 7 p.m. tonight, winds will be gusting at 25 to 30 miles per hour out of the south. So it will be really breezy. We're not talking about pouring down rain. We're just talking about really gusty winds. This is our 3-minute advantage, the WVTM 13 Live Doppler. I have the storm tracker on just to let you know this is a rainmaker. Non-severe showers right now across the WVTM 13 Live Doppler radar. We'll get closer into sections of central Alabama with the Futurecast, and it's actually overperforming just a bit. This is a snapshot of what potentially 1 o'clock in the afternoon could look like. So where we see those showers draped right now, that is pretty much going to be the trend over the next couple of hours. There may be a few more showers that start to develop between the peak daytime heating hours, so between about noon and 3. But we get to 6 o'clock. Remember, we were just talking about those gusty winds. We're talking about cloudiness, breezy conditions. This is midnight. Not a whole lot of green out there. So we are very fortunate to ring in the new year with just windy conditions. Now we fast forward to Saturday morning. Saturday morning, it will still be very breezy. We'll start with a couple of spotty showers by about 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But let's look at this line of showers and storms. 7 p.m. northwest Alabama, moving into about 10 p.m. through the I-65 corridor, and then weakening with time after midnight. Let's break it down county by county. So including the cities of Coleman, Jasper, Fayette, Hamilton, 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. That's your timeline for severe storms. The I-65 corridor, 5 p.m. to about midnight here. I do think that these storms are going to weaken with time. That trend has proven itself here in central Alabama. That time frame for East Alabama is midnight to 4 a.m. And so Saturday, New Year's Day, that will be likely the busiest day as we head into your 7-day forecast. Beyond that, just bitterly cold temperatures. So find your jacket. It's somewhere in the back of the closet.